Master the art of English articles. A, an and the. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today we're going to focus on a specific type of adjective, the articles. They may be small words, but they play a big role in English grammar. We're going to understand how to use a, an, and the correctly in sentences. Articles in English grammar are adjectives that are used to indicate specificity. We have two types of articles: definite, the, and indefinite, a, n. The is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. A and n are used for non-specific or non-particular nouns. Remember, we use n before words that start with vowels and a before words that start with consonants. Now, let's put this knowledge to practice. Here are some fill-in-the-blank exercises. Try to fill these with the correct articles: a, n, or the. 1. ___ apple a day keeps the doctor away. 2. She is ___ European student studying in ___ United States. 3. I saw ___ owl in ___ tree. 4. Can you give me ___ hand with this? 5. She has ___ unique style. Pause the video here, try to answer these questions, and then resume to check your answers. Great job on attempting the exercises. Let's check your answers. 1. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. 2. She is a European student studying in the United States. 3. I saw an owl in the tree. 4. Can you give me a hand with this? 5. She has a unique style. Fantastic work today. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep practicing these exercises and soon you'll be a pro at using articles. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. Happy learning and see you in our next video.